Installing or relocating large equipment can pose a challenge. Outdoor and indoor haul path clearances, as well as structural capacity of floors and underground utility features, must be checked. Substantial time can be spent by your staff in verifying dimensions with tape measures and transferring this information to floor plans. This can create safety risks during these walkdowns and can introduce errors in measurements and data transfer. Borton Lawson has developed a haul path planning solution which inserts 3D models of your equipment and transport vehicles into an accurate point cloud secured by laser scanning your facility, so you can virtually transport the object along the entire haul path. We can then validate your best haul path, plan and document contractor movements, and resolve interferences. Give us a call today if you'd like to learn more.